After years of climbing, I've seen people bring some pretty unexpected and interesting snacks up on the mountain. Snack 1. Protein bars that they haven't even tried before. Well, it doesn't work because it usually doesn't taste good and sometimes even it melts because of the heat. Snack number 2. Japanese energy jelly drink. It's pretty light and it packs about 180 kilocalories per 100 ml. I think it's pretty good, and the best part of it is it doesn't even freeze on Everest. And finally, a tray of 4 salted eggs. One of my Taiwanese mountain guides carried them for the team. It was probably the weirdest snack I've ever seen on a climb. I wasn't a fan, but at that moment it was exactly what I needed. What's the most unexpected snack you've ever seen on the trail? Let me know in the comments below.